Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus at sign. This reading is for remaining month of June. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Taurus. So let's see your recent past. 8 of Swords, 3 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles. I think there is some heartbreak between, and there is separation also between both of you. And one person is already totally give up on this connection because 9 of Pentacles. I think they overcome this pain and they are like independent right now. And definitely one person is stuck on this connection right now. It could be you or your person because there is some heartbreak between both of you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Four of Swords, Sword of Air Energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you or your person could be. Page of Cups, Four of Swords and Page of Cups. I think your person is thinking about you a lot. 10 of Swords, cycles ending. Definitely some cycles are going to be end. Page of Cups, an apology and offer is coming in your way. So in past your person what did to you, definitely they will explain to it and they will they apologize to it for that. Definitely some cycles are going to be at 10 of Swords. So apology is coming in your way. So your person want to apologize for what they did to you in past. So some cycles are going to be end. So they are thinking to come towards you and to apologize you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Taurus. Your person near future actions towards you. Sorrow, yes, he is feeling very sorrow about this connection. 9 of Swords, not sleeping. Lot of air energies here. Ordinariness, yes, they want to work on this relationship seriously this time. Breakthrough, justice and creativity. Empress, yes, definitely justice has to be served because your person want a second chance. Justice means wanting second chance and they want to work on this relationship. So Empress, I think it is you stand by your power right now. So your person wants second chance with you. So let's pull some cards from universe. A final message. Taurus. Beyond illusion. Judgment. Yes, justice and judgment is here. Definitely reconciliation. There is chance for reconciliation. One card is fell down. That is Rebel. Emperor. Yes. Your person this time is very committed. They won't commit to you completely. And the last card for the reading is letting go. I think one person is already told walking away from the situation. 8 of Cups. A lot of water energy is also here. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, but your person is coming back for asking second chance. They want to apologize you because judgment is here. So some of you getting reconciliation with this person. So choice is up to you. If you want reconciliation with this person, definitely it will happen because judgment and justice is here. So they want to work on this relationship also because 8 of Pentacles is here. Sorrow, so they are feeling very sad for this separation. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.